Alright guys, I am preparing for a Krailings pond. So it's just a simple one, all bamboo, because this is the only material resources that we have here in our area. So I wish that this is a good budget. So I will start for now a two-layered Krailings pond. The first one is on here, the lowest one, and then there's an interval of the second and the third one where I will put the second layer. So it doesn't have to be so much sturdy or at least enough for it to catch up with the weight of at least 4 to 5 inches water level for the Krailings, and we'll see how it goes after that. So this is just a DIY. I don't have any knowledge about how to fix any pond using the bamboo, but I will try my best to at least get the grasp of it. So I wish that it will give you also some idea in how to prepare a fish pond. I am not an expert. Actually, this is the first time that I'm using a bamboo. I used to have or to use woods because I am more familiar. But here, look at this one, the intersection. So I inserted a piece of bamboo because it will be very difficult for me to make a circle and insert the piece of bamboo which is not yet cracked or divided. So I need to split the bamboo into 4 so that I can put it as one of the braces here. So it's not so perfect. See, sometimes I put a hole which is with so much space. I think I am going to use filling later on to make sure that it will not move. And I also put some nail here to make sure that it will not easily be removed by a sudden movement. So I'm just warming up, and later on you will see the finished product or the finished Krailings pond. Actually, you don't need to make it so durable because it will carry the weight of only at least 4 to 5 inches of water, or maybe 3 to 4, because it will only support the Krailings pond. So let me continue about it. Okay, I just want to show you my other ponds here. So this I am preparing for my buried crayfish, and this one where my guppies are. Okay. And the third pond I'm gonna be putting it right there. So I still need to use a bamboo. Look at this, I use wood, so this looks better. Actually, this is the best that I did so far, and this one is not so much good because I was lack of a materials which is really needed for this pond. So I did a lot of error. But anyway, as long as it can cope up with the pond, so I think there's no problem about that. Okay, so let me continue what I'm doing right now. Later on I will update this video. May post mo na. Almost done, guys. So I think I am 80% done here. So instead of 2 layers, I made it 3 layers, or 3 layered railing span. I know the spaces is a little bit small gap to each other, but I think this would be enough. At least I utilize all the bamboo that I used. Here in this flooring, I made it very sturdy. I supported with another half bamboo here, or a quarter of the huge bamboo, the lower part, so that it will be durable whenever I put water in it. Okay, I think I'm almost done. The water cannot push the bamboo down anymore, because as long as you have 2 feet or less than 2 feet, so it is going to be steady already. Water won't be pushing it down, and even though there is a good bamboo that is steadily holding it up, I'll update it later. So this is the finished product, guys. So the finished railing span, 3 layered. So from the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I will make 2 layered only, but I believe I can maximize it for 3, but the spaces is a little bit short or narrow, but it's alright. It's just for railings. I'm not so proud about this span, but at least somehow, without any knowledge, this is the first time that I created a bamboo materials. So I believe it turned out to be useful for me. Maybe for some expert in bamboo already, they will not like it, but it's my first time and I don't know anything about how to work with bamboo, but at least somehow I manage. So it's 1 foot difference already, or distance. So my water level is only between 4 to 5 inches only, so I think this will do. So between here and here, it's already 4 inches, so I'll make it up to here. So the material that I'm going to put here, we call it trapand. So I think this will be enough. First layer, second, and the third. So this is the top view. So the average water level will be 4 to 5 inches only. in height. So this is only 4 krillings. So from day 1 to maybe up to 1.5 or maximum 2 months. Depends on how many, on the quantity. So I hope guys that I have shared somehow with you, and hope you will always subscribe, like, and share, comments as well. Comments is also important. So thank you guys, until my next vlog. By the way, before I end this video, I use somehow 5 pieces of bamboo. So each bamboo, I think, from 27 to 30 feet or 25 to 30 feet. So with this kind of materials, I use up to 5 pieces.